Welcome to my channel Living Linux. In this video, this is not a computer, but this is a electric lighter that can be charged through USB Type-C. So I ordered this from AliExpress, so I'll put a link in the description of the video. So, as it said, there's a USB-A to USB Type-C cable. There's a safety lock, the ignition button, and 4 LEDs to indicate the charge in the battery. And this one is flexible. So, as you can see, this is flexible. So if it's not switched on, you can press the button, but nothing happens. Here is the Type-C port. So this is how you can charge it. Well, they call it a barbecue lighter, but so let's try to switch it on. You can see there's some LED lights. So if I press the power button now, you can see that you can light something. So I don't have a barbecue here, but let's see if we can light a candle. And here you can see that you can use this not just to light a barbecue, but you can also use it to light a candle. So that's all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.